Have you ever felt a sudden spark of pure excitement? That rush that lights you up from the inside out. It could be a new idea, a trip, or the urge to learn something new. In those moments, the world seems to open up. Why? It's as if our excitement sends a signal into the universe, and the universe responds. This isn't just coincidence or wishful thinking. When we're truly enthusiastic, we tap into a force that changes our perception and actions. Our emotional state becomes the lens through which we see reality. Change the lens, change the picture. So why does the universe seem to reward our excitement? Is it psychology or something deeper? Let's explore the truth about high vibes and the abundance they promise. The answers may surprise you and change how you see your own power. Deep inside your brain is the Reticular Activating System, or RAS, the gatekeeper of your mind. Every second, you're bombarded with information. The RAS filters what matters. How does it decide? It listens to what you focus on and feel strongly about. When you're excited, you're telling your RAS, this is important. Suddenly, you start noticing things related to your excitement, like seeing that red car everywhere after you want one. The cars were always there, now your brain lets them in. The same happens with opportunities. If you're bored or pessimistic, your RAS finds problems. But when you're excited, your brain scans for matches to that energy. You notice helpful articles, overhear ideas, spot perfect opportunities. These things were always there. Your excitement made them visible. It's not magic, it's neuroscience. Your brain shows you what you're ready to see. Our feelings radiate outward like heat from a fire. Walk into a room full of laughter. You feel lighter. Enter after an argument. The air is heavy. Excitement is a powerful, positive signal that others sense. It changes your posture, your voice, your energy. People are drawn to this high-energy state. They want to be around it. Your passion becomes a magnet, pulling people closer. This contagious energy inspires and motivates others. Leaders with passion move teams. Salespeople with excitement persuade customers. When you pursue a goal with excitement, you're not alone. Your energy opens doors. People invest in things that feel alive. Your excitement is proof your dream is worth believing in. It's a living force for success. Let your energy lead the way. Success isn't a giant leap. It's many small steps. What fuels those first steps? Excitement. When you're excited, you can't wait to start. That first action, buying a domain, writing a page, signing up for a class, creates momentum. Each small result boosts your excitement and confidence. This feedback loop, excitement leads to action, action to results, results to more excitement, builds momentum. Momentum attracts bigger opportunities. The universe seems to reward those in motion. The people you meet, the chances you find, they come to those taking steps, not just wishing. Small, consistent actions fueled by excitement create real progress. Opportunities find people who are moving. Don't wait for the perfect moment. Let excitement move you forward. The journey begins with one excited step. What if emotions are more than chemicals? What if they're energy, each with its own frequency? Imagine every feeling as a musical note. Sadness is low and heavy. Excitement is high and bright. We're not just bodies, we're energy, broadcasting our own song. High-frequency emotions like excitement are powerful and expansive. The law of vibration says attracts, your frequency draws in matching experiences. Tune yourself to excitement, and you attract abundance and opportunity. This isn't just belief, it's a new way to see reality. Excitement programs your brain and tunes your energy. Science and spirit work in harmony. You compose your life's music with your emotions. The universe plays your song back to you. The science of the brain and the spirit of vibration work together in a powerful cycle. It starts with excitement, a good feeling that sparks a chain reaction. Your RAS highlights opportunities, you see solutions, and the world feels friendlier. This better perception boosts your mood even more. Good feelings lead to better actions. You're more creative, take smart risks, and communicate with passion. You treat others with kindness, act from inspiration, and your actions improve. Better actions create better results. Success, positive responses, creative breakthroughs. Each good result boosts your excitement, starting the cycle again from a higher point. This is the upward spiral of success. Good feelings echo back as abundance. Anyone can learn to use this cycle. Start with excitement and let the echo grow. Abundance follows the echo of your best feelings. What if excitement is a message from your future self? Imagine a wiser, fulfilled version of you, sending signals back through time. That spark of excitement is guidance, a breadcrumb on your path. Your future self can't speak in words, so it sends feelings. When you feel a rush of enthusiasm, it's a signpost. This way. Excitement is your compass, pointing to your true path. It bypasses doubt and speaks to your soul. Treat excitement as sacred guidance, not childish impulse. When you feel it, you're in alignment with your destiny. Joy connects you to your purpose. Your excitement is a loving message, showing you the way home. We've traveled from brain science to metaphysics, and the message is clear. Excitement is a force for creation. It unlocks perception, attracts others, fuels momentum, and guides you to abundance. Excitement is where psychology and spirit meet, your human power and divine potential as one. Honor what excites you. These are clues to your purpose. Keep track of what lights you up. Share it. Trust it. When excitement arises, act on it. Don't let doubt stop you. You don't need the whole plan. Just take the first step. Each small act of trust signals the universe. I'm ready. The universe responds with the next step, and the next. Your excitement is your compass. It won't lead you wrong. The path may not be easy, but it will be rewarding. It leads to a life filled with passion, meaning, and joy. The universe isn't waiting for perfection, just your signal. Get excited and let abundance find you.